In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online by uploading files, and this is an easy way to make some affiliate commission, guys. So watch the video until the end to learn the entire process. So don't skip the video, watch the video until the end. So website like this one, daily upload or upload a route or upload IO, this website gonna pay you money per uploading files. So you can see minimum payout $25, but you can get paid $16 per 1000 download. This is the mistake lots of other YouTube video make. They said that you can make $5 or $10, $25 every 20 seconds. That's never going to happen. This site allow you to upload file, then you can share the URLs. After you share the URLs, when each ebook or whatever the files you are sharing reaches 1000 download, then you can get paid around $16. Again, this amount varies different countries. For example, if it's in USA, UK, then you get paid $16 per 1000 download, and other countries are different amount. Each website pay you different amount for that. But we are not going to depend on this site to make money. But for this method, there's additional income that you can make, guys. I make videos on money making, money saving tutorials. So if you like this video, subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to press the like button on the bottom of the video. Also leave me a comment what kind of video you want me to make in the future, guys. First, what you do, go to any affiliate website and find an affiliate offers that you want to promote. Anything that you can select. My choice is always go with the fitness and tech and business, guys, and these three niches are always bring you more sales so you can make more money from those, guys. So in this case, I want to promote custom keto diet from clipchamp. This offer is going to pay me $44 for that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to visit idplr.com. I have a subscription with them, or you can visit any PLR website and you're going to find an ebook with modification rights. There's a different rights, guys. Some of them only allow to sales, you can't modify anything, but there are some ebooks that you can give away for free, or you can use it for personal and also allow you to modify that ebook, guys. So you need to find an ebook that has a modification rights you can download. For example, this ebook, Easy Keto. Here I open it and I want to download it. After I've downloaded, what I'm going to do, I'm going to visit any website that convert PDF into Word document. So this is a website called PDF to Doc, and I upload that file and download it in my Word document. You can see it from here. This is my converted file from PDF to Word document. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to insert my affiliate link here. So if you come to the bottom, you can insert it anywhere you want. So I'm going to say custom keto diet, a brand new way to lose weight. So after that, what you're going to do, you go to your clipchamp. This is your clipchamp offer. You're going to click promote and you're going to get your affiliate link. After you get that affiliate link, what you're going to do, go to Word document, you can type the sentence and highlight the sentence, right click, and you have to go to this one called hyperlink, guys. So normally it won't show. For example, I can show here, if for this one keto diet, highlight that part and right click, and you're going to see hyperlink. Click that and you're going to paste your link and you're going to click OK. After that, that sentence will be highlighted and this sentence will be clickable when you convert this document into Word. After you insert the link, what you do, copy and paste that everywhere you want. I prefer don't spam the entire pages. Don't put it affiliate link every single page. Put in the top, in the middle and the bottom, guys. After what you do, you click here and you're going to click export, and you're going to click export in the PDF. When you do that, your PDF document available like that. And if you can come down to the bottom where you put the affiliate link, and you can able to click that affiliate link, and it will automatically redirect that to affiliate sales page. You can see this is the affiliate link. If you click that, and now it will take to their sales page and you have your affiliate ID inside. Now what you're going to do, after you exported your file into PDF, what you're going to do, you're going to go to any of these website here. Again, this website, we are not going to depend on this website earning, but this is an additional way to make some passive income, guys. What you're going to do, you're going to create a free account with them, and you're going to click this one called upload. So for example, I'm going with a daily upload, and you're going to click post file, and you're going to select the file you uploaded, converted the document to PDF, open that and click upload, and it will give you a unique URLs which is you're gonna share in the next website which I'm gonna show you. You can get a free organic traffic, and also there's a pay method which I'm gonna show you guys. After upload complete, this is your URLs. You're gonna copy that. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to the first method which I'm gonna show you. This is a paid method, but is more best way to bring more traffic to your link, guys. You're gonna go to influencercard.com, where you're gonna find an influencer on your niche that you are promoting, in this case fitness. So if you select fitness, and you can see this person, this influencer has around 272,000 followers, and they only charge you $7 for that. And you can see 21% of the traffic is coming from USA. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna contact this influencer and say, you're gonna say you want to promote a free ebook on keto diet. So you're gonna share the link this way. Which link? This is the link. You know, the link that you uploaded in your daily upload or any file sharing platform. You're gonna get that link. You're gonna give that link to the influencer, and you're gonna pay $7 or $10 for that. So they're gonna insert that link in their bio for 1 or 2 days. So the viewers gonna click the link and take to the this page where you upload that file. They're gonna download the file. When they download the file, you're gonna earn money from this website per download. At the same time, when they read the ebook, and if they're interested in buying a keto diet or any of the affiliate product they are promoting, and you're gonna make money from clickbank or any affiliate website, guys. This is how you're going to do that. This is the paid method. There's other free methods, for example Parlay, where you can upload post and you can get instant traffic. That you can see this person post about keto and vitamins, minerals, and you can see this is an affiliate offers, and you can see 14 minutes ago and already have 6 views. And if you come down the bottom, that you can see here another one about keto diet product that this person posted around 2 hours ago, and they already get 103 views, guys. Again, you can go with Facebook pages and group that you can post content that say, you can say download this free ebook and learn more about keto diet. So when they download it, you can earn money from this website. At the same time, if they're interested in buying it, you can make affiliate commission, guys. This is a simple way. Again, you are not going to depend on uploading file and earn money, because it's difficult, and this website only pay for 1,000 downloads, not for 1 or 2 downloads. Not like other YouTube videos, they said you can make $60 in 20 minutes. That's never going to happen. This website only pay for $1,000, sorry, 1,000 download. But if they're interested in buying affiliate commission, affiliate product, you're gonna make a little bit more money. So you're gonna make money from 2 different ways, guys. So I hope you understand this video, guys. If you really like this video, leave a like and leave a comment. And if you want me to make videos in different topics, leave me that in the comment section. I will do that for you guys. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.